Hey guys, NASCAR Racing 18 here. We have a NASCAR Authentics, but this time we have a NASCAR hauler, and this is Chase Elliott's Mountain Dew Zero Sugar hauler. Here's the back side of it. Let's get Chase Elliott's hauler out of the box. So here is Chase Elliott's hauler. So here's the front. This is Mountain Dew Zero Sugar. There's his car, number 9, his name, Hendrick Motorsports right here. On the back has Mountain Dew Zero Sugar number 9, with some green on the bottom. And here's his hauler. Has the number 9 Mountain Dew Zero Sugar on the door with the green line going through. So basically, like a hauler, you just put it on where the connector goes, and you pull back to it to hear that clinking sound, and it's attached. Basically. So here's the whole hauler, which is going to be pretty hard because it's so big and wide. Just move that out of the way here. This is obviously one of the nice haulers we have here. Now, you can get another version of Chase Elliott's haulers. There are different versions of them. Unlike in the real NASCAR world, there's only one hauler for them as well, but carry a different car with a different sponsor on. So you can get his Napa, Mountain Dew, and Little Caesar's car. Little Caesar's hauler, sorry. And that's about it. Well, guys, thanks for watching this episode, and more will be out soon. Thanks for watching.